Hi, I am going to walk you guys through a grounding technique. It's so amazing what happens when you can ground with the earth. The earth holds energy and vibration that allows our human body to actually integrate and alchemize to these higher vibrations, which help with healing, which our body is always trying to heal all the time, and it aids in that. If you can be barefooted, even better. But know that even if you're not barefoot and you're practicing the grounding, it is still very beneficial. All right, so you can either repeat after me mentally or out loud, whatever works for you. I come to a state of awareness. I close my eyes, and within that awareness, I am conscious that I am a spirit within a human body having an experience. With the breath that I take in, it allows me to connect with my mind, with my body, and with my soul. I feel the breath come in through my nose. I pull it into my lungs and then out through my feet. I breathe it in. I breathe it through, and I breathe it out. And as it goes out, I imagine that as my feet are touching the earth and the air comes out of my feet, that like tree roots grow down deep into this planet, so can my energy. And that it goes straight down out of my feet into the dirt, into the soil, down past the rocks, through minerals and crystals and water. I ask my energy to go straight down into the very core of this planet, where angels and guides reside in order to anchor me in, to ground me fully, so that I may harmonize and integrate with this beautiful, loving energy that is healing my body today, right here and right now. As I anchor into this energy, I then breathe it up through the ground and into my body and into my heart, up through my head, and then I have that energy come out and around me and circle back into the earth and come back up again. So I'm breathing it in, I'm breathing it through, and breathing it out. A constant motion. With this breath of awareness, it allows me to connect, to accept, to integrate and alchemize all energy around me and through me back to love. Aho. Okay, so again, just a simple little grounding routine, and yet so effective. Our physical body responds to this planet in such a powerful way. If you've never done that, if you spend so much of your time with your shoes on, and even with your shoes on and never grounding, I really want to challenge you to take a couple weeks and actually try the method either with your shoes on, or if you can take your shoes off. And let me know how it goes, because this planet and your body are always in a constant state of healing, and why not unify and do that together? I think you'll find that you sleep better, your mental clarity, your balance might come back, and it also helps reduce inflammation and swelling. There's so many benefits to grounding. All right, thanks for joining. Take care, everybody. Let me know how it goes. Bye.